But basically, we were looking on how we can fight crime within the bus terminals. Not only in Namaiba, we have Kisenyi, we have other bus terminals for private buses, not this general one. We have that one where Global Parks and the Gateway, the Taus and all of that, even the link the other side. So that one we handled it, and we were saying we are going to look for a place where we can have our security concentrate, because we were transiting into the festive season, and not only that, we were having some complaints from within the leaders, how people were being cheated, properties stolen, and all that the chair has talked about. Now, we have a police post here. Is the police post closed? There is a police post. Where is the OC? OC Namaiba bus park. Staliwo. Waliwo buzibu. The OC, we are in his area, but the OC is not around. There's a problem there. So, friends, this meeting was called by the association that runs business services of the buses, or the bus industry, in liaison with other stakeholders. Mine is going to be on the issue of enforcement. On the issue of what? Enforcement. Because it is now law and order. We cannot keep on games and talking. Me, I'm not a pastor. I am not a metropolitan preacher. I'm a metropolitan what? Commander. I'm a metropolitan what? No, the city pastor. So we are not here to keep making a repeat of what we've talked in the other meeting. Then we come, we convene another meeting. Naruri netuja nga ororweruyimba rotuyimba runaku rweruyimba nedda tetuli kubyabirango. Equal I'm attached. Nze sina bus. I don't have a bus. But when you hear chairman's remarks and other members who are in the industry, there is a problem. There is a what? A problem, and a big problem, which has not started. Already Kampala, this Namaiba police post, the main station, they have very many cases of passengers who have been cheated from here and even other terminals by you brokers. And we are going to begin with those ones, because some of you are going to be arrested. Tugenda Abagoba tubavunane. Nze size wano kutisa muntu obaki kubanga kyenkugamba ge mazima kiriza oba gaana. I'm honestly telling you the truth. Accept or refuse. Last week we had a meeting with them, and in their remarks, their submission, you would really know that we need to come in and help these people. Because we cannot see a broker who doesn't know even the price cost of a tire of a bus getting 800,000 from a passenger, 300,000 from a passenger. There is a story they told me of a passenger who was going to Guru, Juba. He was charged 200,000. How much is Juba? Do I have a director there or a manager? I'm seeing you people in uniforms. Are you from Trinity? Hello? This one with a beard here. Or are you not staying a beard? Sebo, you are from which company? Where? Mash Power. Who is from these Juba buses? Yes, you come. Kampala Juba.
How much? The charge is 120. 120.
120. Now, do you know how this person was cheated? This person was charged 200,000 altogether, paid the money, taken to the office, and is even being issued a receipt. And some of you have gone to NASA and lubricated the receipt books. You have gone where? To NASA. Mugenze NASA wali ku NASA road, nimujama obuchupuli bwa receipt. Yes, we have samples. Vice, do you have samples there? Have you printed out? You would have printed out those things. And we know you. Before you get into trouble, you either surrender or you go away. Simple. Now, when we had that meeting last week, we said we must make resolutions. The resolutions, when we come down here, are the talking points on which we shall base on. We first asked the committee, the members, but have you tried to sensitize these people? Abantu bano mugezezaako basomesa. Kubanga bus companies ezimu zibamanyi, ziba employing, they have been employed by some bus companies, so that we don't take it is business rivalryism. Sikurwanagana oba okubagana kwaki kwa banene. Tuli wamu basebo ne banyabo. Yes, it is not business rivalryism. But as far as I know, we shall have some special cases. There are people who come from the village. They usually say, I don't know which proverb is that you can bring a person from the village, but you cannot remove the village from him or her. Omuntu osobola mujja mu kyalo naye tosobola omujjamu amaalo. Tuli wamu basebo ne banyabo. Because we all came from the villages. None of you was born from that tower there. Very few were born from within here. Me I come from Kisoro. Kati omuntu ava Kisoro. Ate naffe tulinayo be tuyita abanyakyalo okuva eri wansi eri omusana gwakasawa mukaaga. Atuuka wano mu Kampala yeeyongereyo Kiboga. Oyo ye ojja musanga ng'abuze. Those are some of the special cases I'm talking of. Naye aba enforcement mutuyambe kwekyo, so that bana ababbi abayaayo abeewadde omulimu taking advantage kwekyo. That's where they are going to cheat our people from. That's where they are going to cheat our people from. By the way, kino kigamba nti twagala abantu babonabone oba you fail to get jobs for survival. But when we have such arrangements, buli kintu kijja kubanga kyekola. Because we have other many prayers here. Waliwo abatika ebintu mu bbuutu, waliwo abatikula, waliwo abakola ki, abeera mu baasi ng'eparkinze, waliwo ki. Kwegamba everything will be organized. Now weye abo abatono abo abagenda obonoonera. I've got a disciplinary code. Maybe you are just going to come up with something that you can talk over, either a bylaw or what. We don't have. So no, Rachel. We just ensure that there is a law. It's an offense. It's an offense. Straight out offense. Straight out offense. Other than traffic and just arrest. Fine. Now, the commander of traffic is there. He will tell us more about it. He will tell us. Lastly, me, I'm not a politician, and we are not going to politicize this. And don't call me oba chairman, oba director, oba ani. Zeto nkubira. Banga bona nkubira. I will tell you the truth and which will annoy you. Bona nkubira amasimu. Nja kugambe kyamazima ate kikunyiize. Ogambe nti ndi mubi. When you call me, I will tell you the truth and it will annoy you, and then you say, I'm bad. Oh, I've refused to help you. But that does not mean that I will not give you my contacts. My contacts are for free. Altogether, there are very many people who are going to talk. Lastly, take my numbers. Let me help you.